Ready to travel without breaking the bank? Join me as we uncover the most affordable airlines and share insider tips for snagging cheap flights. Your dream vacation is just a click away. First, we will check the top 10 most affordable airlines worldwide and then move on to the top 10 travel hacks for experienced travelers. These airlines are known for consistent deals, low base fares, and budget-friendly routes. Let's check out the 10 most affordable airlines. Southwest Airlines in the United States. No baggage fees, free flight changes, and frequent sales. Ryanair in Europe. Ultra-cheap intra-Europe flights. Watch for 10 to 20 euro seat sales. AirAsia, covering Asia, Australia, and the Middle East, offers amazing promo fare deals for flights across these regions. EasyJet, a prominent European airline, provides affordable city-to-city routes. Plus, by signing up for Flight Club, you can access exclusive deals. Scoot, based in Singapore, offers Scoot-through connecting flights at discounted rates, making travel across the Asia-Pacific region more convenient and budget-friendly. Spirit Airlines, a budget airline based in the US, is known for its ultra-low-cost fares. It's a popular choice for travelers looking to save money on domestic and international flights. However, keep in mind that additional fees for things like baggage and seat selection can add up, so it's important to calculate the total cost before booking. Another affordable option is Frontier Airlines. This US-based carrier offers low fares and a variety of routes across the country. Similar to Spirit, Frontier charges extra for things like seat selection and carry-on bags, so be sure to factor in those costs when planning your trip. Frontier Airlines frequently runs discount den sales, offering even deeper discounts to members. They also have seasonal route promotions, making it possible to find great deals throughout the year. If you're flexible with your travel dates and destinations, you can take advantage of these promotions to save even more on your next adventure. Volaris, a budget airline, offers flights across Mexico, the United States, and Central America. Wizz Air operates mainly in Eastern Europe and the Middle East, with some routes in Asia. They have a Wizz discount club that provides recurring deals for frequent travelers. Viva Aerobus is known for its rock-bottom fares within Mexico. Promo codes often make these already low prices even more affordable. And now, some bounce tips and advanced cheap flight life hacks for experienced travelers who know the basics, like booking early and having flexible dates. First, use VPNs to unlock regional prices. Airlines and booking sites often show lower fares for users in countries with weaker currencies like Turkey or India. Next, hunt for error fares. Monitor sites like Secret Flying or Airfare Watchdog for pricing glitches. You might find deals like a $300 round trip to Europe. Leverage loyalty program alliances. Transfer points between programs, such as Star Alliance or OneWorld, to book flights on partner airlines. Finally, book hidden city tickets. Use tools like SkipLag to book a flight with a layover at your true destination. But be cautious, this is risky, and you should avoid checking bags. Buy one-way tickets on different airlines. Mixing airlines like Ryanair and Wizz Air can actually be cheaper than a round trip. And don't forget to target empty leg flights. Charter companies sell unused private jet seats at massive discounts. You can try services like Empty Legs for that. Follow airlines on Twitter or Telegram. Flash sales often drop with little notice. For example, JetBlue's $1 Fare Fridays can be a great deal. Also, consider using foreign OTAs. Sites like GoToGate in Asia or MyTrip in Europe occasionally have better rates. Book during shoulder seasons. Flying to Europe in April, May, September, or October can save you 30 to 50% on fares. And don't forget to stack discounts. Combine airline promo codes, cashback sites like Rakuten, and credit card points for maximum savings. Pro tip: set up Google Flights price alerts with flexible date grids to track fare trends. Always clear cookies or use incognito mode to avoid dynamic pricing hikes. Happy travels and keep exploring the world.